Hi, I'm Bob with ESN Prep College Matchpoint, your summer planning experts, and I'm here with 3 tips for finding the right summer fit for neurodiverse students. Number one, play to their strengths. Choose activities that align with your teen's abilities and interests, like a STEM camp for problem solving enthusiasts or an art workshop for creative thinkers. Tip number two, seek individualized support. Look for programs designed with accommodations for learning differences, such as Camp Encourage, which offers a supportive environment tailored to neurodiverse students. And tip number three, focus on social confidence. Encourage participation in programs with peer mentorship or small group settings to help them build social skills and meaningful connections in a supportive environment. Remember, every teen's journey is unique, and with the right summer plans, they can thrive.